Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to install Python on Windows 11 in very easy way. So if you are a beginner or a college student, then this video is perfect for you. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search download Python. I am using Google Chrome. You can use any browser, and right here Python and search. This is the official website of python.org. Welcome to python.org. Click on it, and you can see the download for Windows. Download for Windows Python 3.135. Click on it. Here you can see the download is completed. Uh, the file size is 27 MB. Right click and open. Before doing anything, check the box that says add python .exe to path and use admin privilege and go for customize installation. Here you can see the optional features, documentation. Keep it checked, useful for offline references. This is the Python package manager. Keep it checked, and TCL, TK, and ideally. This allows you to use ideally Python ideally and Python test suite for testing purposes. Beginner can leave it, but we'll go through it. And this is PyLauncher, required for launching Python files easily. And for all users, if you want Python for all accounts on this PC, check this. Else leave it. So we'll check it. And now now click on next, and here you can see advanced option. Click on install Python 3.13 for all users. Check this, and you can see customize install location. So I will go through it, and please click on install. Yes. Now wait while Python installs on your system. It will take a few seconds. You can see setup was successful. Once done, you will see the setup was successful message. So just close. Now let's check if Python installed correctly or not. Search cmd and write Python version and enter. You can see Python 3.13.5. That's it. The Python is now installed on your Windows 11 system using the customize install method. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more programming tutorials. If you have any doubts, comments below. I will reply everyone. So thanks for watching. See you in the next videos. Thank you guys.